Let's learn how to set an out-of-office autoresponder in Gmail. An autoresponder allows you to set an automatic response to every incoming email when you are away on vacation or are unavailable. The first thing you need to do is click on the gear icon at the top of the Gmail inbox and then select See All Settings option. This will take you to the Gmail settings page and default you to the Settings tab. Once in Settings, you can scroll down to the Vacation Responder section. Click on the radio button and select Vacation Responder On. Make sure you choose the appropriate first day and last day for when you are away. Next, write the title for your message under Subject and then write the message in the box below. Make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now all your incoming emails will be automatically answered by your autoresponder. Make sure to use this message to include any relevant information like your expected date of return or who to contact in case of an emergency. Check our website and social media for more tips like this.